Oh my gosh, look at this. I could just play with this all day long. Oh, look at the shine. Oh, that's so cool. Hi everybody, it's Kate from KatyDid. Guess what I have? This is a package from MeMINER up in Canada. I'm so excited. We're gonna open it up, see what's inside, and maybe do something with it. Let's take a look. So many beautiful rocks. That's a nice thing to find on my way out. This beautiful piece is Amazonite, and I looked this up in in the Google, and it's this really beautiful green stone named after the Amazon, and apparently they're not even sure that the stone they found in the Amazon that it's named after was Amazonite in the first place. But regardless, that's what this is called, and it has this really interesting what's called cleavage. Cleavage is how it breaks, so these flat surfaces here are just 100% broken. It looks like it's been slabbed, but it's just absolutely broken. So I'm not really sure exactly how I'm going to handle this piece of stone, because if I cut it across the cleavages, I'm sure it'll just break into a bunch of little pieces. But I sure like it. It's really pretty.
Okay, I have to admit that I pushed the wrong button when I was recording this. So these are actually images of me looking at them after I had videotaped them and just kind of marveling at how amazing they are. The first piece was a piece of silver ore. This one is a piece of silver ore that has cobalt on the outside of it, which you can see is the kind of pinky stuff. It's actually what the mineral that they make this really beautiful deep blue out of. And this piece is super, super heavy. This is another really nice chunk of silver ore, and it's another one that I'm going to cut very shortly.
This next little treasure, I had no idea what it was. I actually had to contact MeMINER and ask it. It is in fact a crucible, which they used to use in the mines to melt ore and see how strong the silver was in it. And it's made out of a really groggy clay, and it has what I think is a glaze on it, although it could just be the residue of minerals that have been burned in the crucible. Whatever it is, I love it.
It's hard to tell. It looks kind of shiny. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. Can't see it yet. It's so heavy.
I couldn't show these to you as I was cutting them because they were all covered with black yuck. But look at this. Look at this slab. It's like got maybe dendrites of silver in it. There's the cobalt right there. It's just on the very surface. And then look at that. Oh, I'm so excited to make these into something. Because they're shiny, it's kind of hard to really get a picture of how incredibly beautiful they are because it reflects the light and doesn't quite show the same shine doesn't quite show the same picture that it would otherwise. There's some cobalt at the edge there. And then just look at this. Oh, MeMINER, you are just so awesome. This is that piece of cobalt that I cut, and I cut it actually into several little slabs, and I'm hoping that I can come up with something really nice. As much as it deserves. Here's the biggest slab. It's thicker, and look at the dendrites that go through here. You know, I've never actually held raw ore before, and I am sold. This is such a cool material. Oh, look at there. See that? That is so cool. Dendritic. Dendritic just means the shape. So I don't really know if it's truly dendritic silver or if it just looks like dendrites that grow in Montana agates. I don't know. Somebody else does, though. Oh my gosh, look at this. I could just play with this all day long. Oh, look at the shine. Oh, that's so cool. And then there's this one. Looks like a plain old rock, doesn't it? And then you turn it and see that that's a vein of silver right through the middle. Isn't that beautiful? I'm sure that this rock on both sides has some silver in it, but that is just cool. Shiny.
I want to take this opportunity to thank MeMINER and to thank the entire Rockhound community of YouTube. You folks rock. Thanks so much for joining me. If you enjoyed it, click the subscribe button. This is Kate from KatyDid. keep on doing. Wow, that was just such an amazing gift. So much fun. I hope you enjoyed it.